Shila Sugandhi, Naisargika Swiya Shila Sugandhi, very fragrant Shilas. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when he was worshipping his Govardhan Shila, he used to hold the Shila to his nose. He used to smell the Shila because the Shila is Krishna. And Mahaprabhu was Krishna and Radhabhav, experienced Radharani's separation from Krishna. So when he would hold the Shila to his nose, he would smell the beautiful fragrance of Krishna, like kasturi, musk, and chandan, sandalwood, and aguru, and camphor, kapur. Very, very wonderful. So then he would, when he would smell that fragrance, he would become absorbed in Krishna's remembrance and start crying. And then he would bathe that his tears, Premashru, Granga's tears, Mahaprabhu's tears would bathe the Govardhan Shila. And then he would start trembling. While he was holding his Shila, he would start trembling in Sattvic Bhavs. While he was trembling, he would the Shila would start to slip out of his hands. And Shila is Krishna. He was fearing that he may lose Krishna. Krishna will slip away from him because his hands are full of tears. So then they would hold the Shila, and press the Shila with his thumb, and then hold to his chest or hold to his forehead. He said, "Oh, please don't leave me, please don't leave me. You are mine, I am yours," like this. So this is a fact that Govardhan is very fragrant. Not only fragrant with Sugandhi, but Sugandhi Lila. The Govardhan's pastimes are very fragrant and very attractive. All of our senses, actually all the senses become one to enter the pastimes of the Lord. If someone enters the pastimes of the Lord, then the ears become eyes, the nose becomes eyes, the mouth, the tongue becomes eyes to see. All the senses become eyes to see the Lord. And then when one is not perceiving the Lord in his vision, then he might smell the Lord. So then his eyes become nose, and his nose becomes nose, and his tongue becomes nose. This is what happens. This is told in Madhurya Kadambini, that all the senses become the predominant sense to interact with the Lord's love and His form, his sight or His fragrance or His touch. And so He's the fragrance of the lilas. This is more important. The lilas are very fragrant. They're inundating and captivating to the mind.